Hey, good afternoon or good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Elton here with you. Talk about this kind of weird looking quadratic equation. It's still going to be quadratic because x times x is x squared, but hopefully you recognized on the last page that neither of the forms we know, vertex form nor standard form, really apply to this type of equation. So this is what we call factored form. You, of course, remember this. This was just last unit. You take a trinomial expression and you break it down into two factors. And in fact, the original expression would have been this right here, x squared plus x minus 2. That's what you get if you multiply that out using the box method. So obviously, this is in standard form, and we know some things about that. Like, the y-intercept. You could find me the vertex and eventually graph it. But there's actually some things that are pretty neat about factored form that we're going to talk about today. And on the next screen, you're going to have to graph one of these. And I would not suggest doing this. Don't go to standard form. That's going to take too long. Instead, I'm going to give you an input output table, and all you're going to do is just plug in the numbers in for x and see what happens. This is going to be really easy because it's just a multiplication problem. For example, if I ask you to plug in negative 4 just goes in for this x and this x at the same time. So it's just a very simple arithmetic problem. What's negative 4 plus 2 times negative 4 minus 1? In this case, that would be negative 2 times negative 5, which is positive 10. So negative 4 comma 10 is a point on this graph. You'll have to do this for like 5 or 6 points, and then you'll graph it, and then we're going to figure that out to kind of do some stuff later.